Hey guys, we're at the next part of Ratchet and Clank into the Nexus. I believe part 3 if I'm correct. And the first video was used for this Let's Play. And as you can see, Ratchet, it's been pretty, oh no. I'm almost dead and I'm, die. Oh, yes, I'm so lucky. Yay. Square. And I believe we're almost at the part where we encounter Vendra and Neftin. I believe this is the part. Yeah. I don't know, is it just me or do the thugs? I mean, I don't know why the thugs are Australian. It's weird. Or Italian, I mean.
6 months? You left me in here for 6 whole months?
No! This wasn't easy, you know. I had to bribe elected officials for the ship's location, coordinate a galaxy-wide crime wave, hire extra muscle.
You are the muscle! Or at least you're supposed to be. The universe looks at you and sees a hero. But do you know what I see? A coward. Someone who lost the guts to find his race.
Let us out of here, you darn witch!
Give me the detonator.
They're just a couple of old warbots. Isn't killing everyone a little...
A little what? Goodbye, Ratchet.
They are gone, Ratchet. We are not safe out here. If we do not keep moving, the thugs will kill us.
You incompetent reptiles! They're still alive!
You little...
We'll take care of them, Miss Bronk. Say, what's your service?
bitch. What jerk?
Killed no one yet. I'm just joshing you. What you need? I'll make smooth on it. Coming on.
Oh no, we're dead. Jump. I made it. I am alive. Oh, I didn't think we were doing that. Okay. Die. Also, sorry if the quality doesn't look too good. It's because I'm recording it from my iPhone. But hey, I did the best I could. I don't like it to be like one of those other Let's Plays where the guy actually tries to move the camera around. I don't like those types, or those types where they make it really far from the TV. I think one time when I watched the Let's Play of the arcade Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, yeah, one of the arcade Turtles games, I didn't like that at all. It looked really tacky and terrible. But yes, I just wanted to say sorry if the quality looks bad, because I'm not doing those special things where Let's Players, I don't know how they do that with their cameras, you know, they make the screen look all, I don't know how some Let's Players do that. But hey, I mean, it's not that bad that my camera looks like this, right? I'm trying my best to. Oh, we're dead. And no, we're not. Never mind. Oh. just chilling and stuff, and oh hey, there's a spaceship coming near me. And, oh my goodness, I'm gonna die. Oh, there we go, we're safe. Yes. Yes. Me. Hijack ship.
E-spy skills, sir. We
Thank you
got
for
it.
your life.
Good. I'm sending coordinates to planet Eric. We have work to do.
Ratchet and Clank into the Nexus. Yeah. Looks like this. It's funny because in part 3 the game officially started. It's weird. But yeah, this might be a pretty long Let's Play because of the whole Mitt thing. And yeah, there's a cutscene coming up, so I'm gonna be quiet.
Ratchet, are you in there?
I'm not coming out.
You cannot stay in there forever.
Yes, I can. We shouldn't have let them take on the twins without us. I should have told them to evacuate.
We cannot dwell on what we should have done. Some things are simply out of our control. Would you like me to tell her?
No. I'll do it.
Ratchet, are you okay? Your nav unit has you all the way in the Sarkov sector.
We lost them. We lost Kronk and Zephyr.
You lost them?
I'm so sorry. But Clank and I are going to stop them before they hurt anyone else.
Listen to me. Come back to Meridian City.
Tal,
Please. You and Clank. You're all I have left now.
I need to make this right. I'll keep you posted.